Hello, this is Bonnie Martinez with EV Custom Exteriors. I was hired to do some repairs on this particular property because of the multiple shingles that is got damaged by the storms and all that. So before I can move on, I just wanted to share with you guys the condition of the roof itself. We're starting with the claim number, State Farm claim, and today's date is June 6, 2026. The claim number is right here. That's the claim number right there. Right here in Tacoma Park, Maryland, we got 87 degrees of temperatures. And more specifically, which is right now basically 3:08 p.m. here. Wanted to show a little bit of the many granite loss and the much damage that it is on here. Such as that. Those over there, missing shingles on many different spots. And a lot more damage down here. As you can see, the condition itself is just very, very poor. Alright, so moving on, starting with, I'm unable to actually find this matching shingle. Apparently the stores don't even carry this anymore, so I'm using a black shingle for my repair. And this is the area I'm working on. This is the shingle that will be removed, is this right here. But in order to do that, I must nail this other area. So I got all of my shingles marked down actually, starting with number 1, 2, 3, and all the way to number 8. So I'm gonna proceed with this job, and please be with me on the video so that we can actually see the result at the very end, and we'll see why the roof has all these difficulties when it comes to do repairs. So please be with me as I do this job, and it's pretty hard, I would say. So I'm gonna try to move on as quick as possible, but at the same time not so fast. Well, before I can do the job, it is my responsibility to show the tools because I am required to show the tools I'm using. So there you are. All right. So please be with me, and as I do this, I want to make sure that you are watching me, because that's the other thing. That because it's hot, my phone may just overheat, and that'll be an issue. Okay, so as I said, I must unseal all these areas before I can actually start doing the work. So this is bad. This is the one that's moving out. This is 1, 2, 3, and these are the working areas. So let's see, start with this one right here. This one has been out already. Trying to be careful because obviously I'm not trying to damage any more shingles, even though these are in such a poor condition with a lot of granule loss as well. Alright, so those been on seal now. Now try to get the nails out. And I just hope my phone doesn't overheat so that we can move on faster. Yeah, I forgot. Let's turn that one too. Okay. Start. One more right here. Some other nails just went through, but I'm gonna show it to you guys at the very end. Okay. So here you go. The shingle is out. As you can see now, let me show you something. See this right here? This is not normal. The hole became so big, and that's because the whole nail literally just went through, and they're not supposed to happen. What that means is it's just too old. It's at the end of its life, and so they're not supposed to happen. You see all this right here, all this, basically all of them. And not only that, but let me show you on this one, on this side, it even tore off all the way. As you notice, I'm trying to be as low as possible. Compare those to this right here. That's pretty small. I would say it's normal. Right here is like the normal size that's supposed to be. But take a look on these two right here. Such a big hole. They're not supposed to happen. And again, that's because it's pretty much coming to the end of its service life, and it's not recommended to actually do some repairs, because more than likely you're going to end up damaging some other shingles, which is not a proper solution. All right, so I just want you guys to take a look at it. Now, as I said, I couldn't find that particular shingle, so I'm using a black one. So I'll try to speed on this before my phone gets overheated. You stay with me. All right, just hang on for a second. I wish you could see all of the granules falling off as I'm hammering these nails. Again, as I said, the roof is pretty much has served its time already. So show it to you guys. Excuse the noise. Those guys looking for somebody. Somebody just ran away. Alright. It's very stiff. It's not easy to stand over here. Trust me. Let's go one more nail. We should be done over here. Okay, let's move on now. Still here, very good, very good. So, this is what I was talking about. So we got one replaced, all right? So that one is pretty much being stored. But then you got, that's supposed to be shingle number 4. Take a look at number 6. You can still see the number 6. And even though we did not really touch as much the top shingle, which is number 8, you still got some granules lost. Now shingle number 5. Remember, we got the nails out from here, but because of the condition itself, shingle number 5 got affected as well. So yeah, you got all that. So it's very challenging, I would say, to actually do some repairs when a shingle is this old with this condition. So let me mark this on, and that should be it. Shingle number 5. Shingle number 6. And shingle number 8. So that's what we got. Oh, look at this. I almost missed it. I almost missed that. That's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, shingle number 4. Number 4 right here. So there you go. Solved one problem, but now we got 4 more shingles. The ones that are marked with an X, those are the ones that have been compromised due to the replacement of one particular shingle. So there you got it. The roof is now repairable. So the most convenient thing here, in order to save money as well, that is to do a full replacement instead of doing patches here and there. Thank you so much.